Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your own art in Scratch, your own animated art in Scratch. So this is how it works. So you can make little drawings all over the screen. As you may have saw already on my channel, I do have a square tutorial as well, but the mic was not working unfortunately. So I wanted to make one that has a more detailed version of how the code works, and also how to make a more complex shape, such as the stars that I have here. So without further ado, let's get started. Oh, and also, if you do want to join my Scratch Studio, I'll link it down below, so you guys can join and post your projects, and we can gain inspiration from each other. But now, let's get started. So first of all, our first block of code we have here is the when flagged clicked block. So this is the trigger of everything. So as you can see, when the green flag is clicked, the whole project starts. So if we didn't have the when green flag clicked, none of this code would work, since there's no code under the when flag clicked block. So again, the when flag clicked is under the events section that has all the prompts. So of course, make sure you have that there. And following that, make sure you have the pen extension here in this extension library. So make sure you click pen, and then go to the pen tool and drag out the erase all block, as you can see here. So this says that when the flag is clicked, the canvas will be cleared, so it'll erase all pen marks, so we can always start from a fresh canvas and it doesn't keep overflowing with a bunch of work. So we have that right there, and following that we have the pen up command. So the pen up command is very simple. All it is that it lifts up the pen from the canvas so it doesn't drag the pen everywhere on the canvas. It's the same thing as drawing a picture in real life. So if we want to move the line, let's say we're drawing a smiley face, we draw one dot for the eye, and then we don't want to draw another dot right beside it. We want to lift up the marker and move it and draw it on the other side of it. So that's the pen up command. It's basically just lifting up the pen so it doesn't draw all over the canvas. And after the pen up command, we are going to put the go to x0, y0 block from the movement section. So as you can see, it says go to x20, y108, but you can easily change those just by typing in them. So what x and y20 means, what the coordinates are, is just the middle of the screen, just so it starts evenly. So the Scratch Cat, or whatever sprite you choose, would start in the middle of the screen and start drawing these items from the middle of the screen. And after this movement command, we're going to go back to the pens and set the pen color to whatever pen color you would like. You can personalize it. And so I set it to this rosy pink color. So this is going to be the first pen color. If you would like, you can also let it change colors, but I'm going to talk about that later on, how you can do that. So, but for the beginning pen color, you can choose a color, and then following that, set the pen size to whatever you want. So I think 5 is a good thickness. It's not too thick and not too thin. You can actually see it. So I think 5 is a good size for that. And then following that, we're going to put our pen down finally, so it can actually start drawing. So remember, we had the pen up here, and then we had all these commands, and then we had the pen down right under there. Alright, so now after that are the movement blocks. So firstly, ignore all this. We are going to get the forever loop from the control center. So what the forever loop does is that it triggers all of this code to happen forever until we click the stop button. So it just keeps occurring over and over and over again. So first, get the forever block in there. Next, we are going to get the repeat for block in here. So as you can see, it says repeat 10, but you can easily change that by typing it. So put the repeat for block inside the forever block so that the code knows the algorithm or the computer knows to repeat this 4 times forever. So inside the repeat for loop, we're going to put movement blocks. So inside motion, as you can see, we have the move 21 steps. So you can change the 10 steps to 21 steps. And then we have turn 135 degrees, turn 153 degrees, and turn 155 degrees. All this does is that it's turning the sprite around so that it draws the shape like that. Why is it not doing that? So I think I must have screwed up the code somewhere here, so we can play around with it. Yeah. So now it's not making stars anymore. So I'm not sure what I did there, but I'll just play around with it and see what happens. I'm not sure what I did there actually. But anyway, that's the point. Yeah. I think I did everything right because it's just doing that. But yeah. So, I know why it's doing. I'm so stupid. It's because this code is not attached to here, so that's why it's doing that. And yeah, so this is all in the correct order. I'm just going to move this over here. Yeah, so all it's doing is just turning the shape around over and over again, as you can see here. And so now, following this, we're going to put the pen up command, pen up again, as you noticed, and we're going to put the go to random position, so it goes to a random position on the screen, and then the pen down command, so it can start drawing again. So pretty simple code once it's all together, and it's just like that. So as you can see, I had a little screw up right there because the code has to be absolutely perfect for this command to work. So if you're missing one block of code, nope, it's not going to work. You have to make sure everything's perfect. And that's the art of code. So yeah, if you liked today's tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!